Hello, dear children. Now it's time for prose number 4, a truly beautiful mind. Okay, so which thought does come in your mind when you talk about a beautiful mind? A beautiful mind is what kind of beauty we are talking about. Okay, beauty means intelligence. Okay, level of intelligence. Okay, so can you imagine which character is the main character in this particular prose? Obviously, the very famous scientist Albert Einstein. Usually, we begin our lecture along with some section which is known as before you read. Okay, what do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Okay, just analyze these questions. You'll get the answer when we will end the lesson. What is the meaning of the word genius? Genius means very brilliant person. Okay, we shall now read about a young German civil servant. Okay, he belonged to Germany. Germany is a country, and he was also a civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. Okay, दुनिया में तूफान मचा दिया था उनकी एक डिस्कवरी ने. This is the meaning of this phrase. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking papers. Okay, so how many papers were there? Total 4 papers about light. It was about light. Okay, the papers were about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and energy. So he used to be in depth of the material around the world. Okay, so he used to analyze each and every material, each and every particle in the world. Okay, so this was the level of curiosity he had. Okay, his work took up only a few pages in scientific journals but changed forever our understanding of space. Okay, it took just a few pages to explain his views about that particular formula of energy. It took a very less number of pages to prove his discovery, but still it had shaken the world. It means उसने पूरी दुनिया को बदल के रख दिया. The discovery changed the understanding of space about in the mind of the people, time and entire cosmos. So it was the theory was about space, time and entire cosmos. What do you understand by the word cosmos? Cosmos means everything you see in this universe is cosmos. The universe is nothing but a cosmos, and transformed the name Einstein into synonym for genius. Right, so if you say genius, it means you're talking about Einstein. Okay, so they both have both the words have become synonyms to each other. Okay, now so let's see what different words are there. Let's discuss the unique words here. So first word you will witness will be destined. Okay, destined means fated, means नसीब जिसे बोलते. Okay, FATED. Whatever is there, whatever written in your fate is nothing but your destiny. Another word you will see is contrary, CONTRARY. It means opposing, going opposite to something. A third means said. Okay, a third means said, UTTERED. Profession means job. Okay, profession means job. Regimentation, this word can also come in the book. Okay, which means forming a group for a purpose. कोई group बना लेना. Serb, SERB, Serb word can also come in the book, in the lesson. So Serb, this word is about the person who belongs to Serbia. Okay, Serbia. Apart from that, uh, tenderness means kindness, being good, goodness. Okay, intellectual means a cognitive talent. Intellectual, this word will also come here. Intellectual means cognitive talent, means a talent which means a person who is able to understand things easily. Coincided, occur at the same time. Coincided, this word can also come in this lesson. Coincided means occur at the same time. Looking means कोई चीज़ अचानक सही उसी समय साथ में दिख जाना. ठीक है, so these words can occur in this particular page. Proclaimed, what do you understand by the word proclaimed? Proclaimed. Proclaimed means announced officially. Okay, to announce something officially, कोई एक news बता देना, share करना. And giving an information about something, a kind of strong information. Fine. And interpretation means way of explanation. Interpretation is nothing but way of explanation. Emigrated, this word is also there. Emigrated means leave one's own country and settle. That is emigration. Okay, means the person leaves his own country and stays in another country. That is known as emigrated. One more word can come here, fascism. 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 Okay, fascism, what do you understand by this? Fascism is nothing but governmental system. Okay, for a standard system made by the government to rule the people. लोगों पर रूल्स लगाने के लिए कुछ सिस्टम बनाया जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज फैसिज्म. इट इज़ एंशियंट वर्ड, पुराने ज़माने का वर्ड है ये. अर्जिंग मीन्स रिक्वेस्टिंग. Exploded, 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 this word will also come here, which also means burst, bum वगैरह जो blast होता है, blast kind of thing. Okay. Shaken means moved sadly, बुरी तरह से हिल जाना. For what? With sorrow, दुख के साथ. Okay. Agitating means causing anger. Agitating means causing anger, something which causes the anger. Fine. So these are the different words which may come. I'll also provide you the click of it, or I suggest, now you're grown up, you should use online or offline dictionaries also. Fine. So this is all about the words in the lesson, and here I have also given you the introduction part of the lesson also. Fine. So we will begin with this page. I'll make one more video for it. Till the time, kindly wait for it. Okay, thank you so much. Take care.